Learn how to make pan-seared beef short ribs just like a Michelin chef. This quick and easy recipe uses a flavorful marinade made with soy sauce, spices, garlic, and some fresh herbs. Also a hint of lemon for a perfect savory sweet flavor. No cooking skills needed. Just a fast marinade and a hot pan to create a beautiful sear and tender, juicy short ribs bursting with flavor. Inspired by techniques I learned from a Michelin-starred chef, this dish brings restaurant-quality taste to your home kitchen in minutes. First, it's all about the right ingredients in the marinade. Also the right cut of meat. You want it nicely marbled and about a centimeter thick. Marinate the meat for a couple hours before cooking or put in the refrigerator overnight for maximum flavor. In this video, I'll show you how to marinate and how to pan-sear beef short ribs just like a Michelin chef. Actually, he's a longtime friend of mine. He worked at high-end restaurants and prepared top-quality dishes to many famous guests. I learned many recipes from him, but this is one of the dishes I can make over and over, and still this impresses me every time. Inspired by techniques I learned from a Michelin-starred chef, this dish brings restaurant-quality taste to your kitchen in minutes. Perfect for weeknight dinners, game nights, or when you want to impress guests without spending hours cooking. Any recommended dishes or similar dishes you want to learn how to cook, just comment below. Thank you for watching my channel, Track Me Down. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.